Hi, Safety National. Haley Short here, one of your facilitators for your experience. We are going to be doing a Lions report the next time that we meet, and we figured that you might want to have a little clarity on what a Lions report is. So here in front of you is the Lions acronym. It's language easily understood, illustrations to clarify, organized thoughts, narrow subject to key points, and finally a summary to tell us really how to do what we want to talk about. And what we talk about can be whatever you want it to be. It can be how to change your air filter in your house, how to put a saddle on a horse, how to make a margarita. It's completely up to you on how you want to show how to do something, i.e. the Lions approach. And this is how we're going to give our reports. It's going to start off with a why and then transition into what you're going to show, followed by those 4 simple steps to 5 simple steps of how to do it, and then a summary of those steps. So here today, I'm going to show you an example of what a Lions report would look like. So back in 2020, wearing a mask was of the utmost importance, and that could become reality today. So this is how to wear a mask. So it is in 4 simple steps. First, what you'll need is a mask, but you'll accordion out your mask, first step. Next step is to bend the portion to your nose. Next, what you'll do is you'll cover your nose and your mouth. That's your third step. And your fourth and final step is to use the loops to go around your ears. So it would look like so. First, accordion out your mask. Next, bend it to your nose shape. Next, you will put it over your nose and your mouth. And finally, you'll loop the loops around your ears. So that is a nice and easy and simple way to wear a mask. Please feel free to reach out to Billy or myself if you have any questions about how to give a Lions report. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.